expensive. They're not like the first ones. Yes. Masingalibazani. Ngitshilo kwi-group ka-WhatsApp. Uba namhlanje siqalisile into i-reading oral. So ke masingalibazani bethu nani umuntu makabe ready. Please. Siya record imax. Sorry ma'am, with all due respect, can you please speak English?
Why, apha uyayibona ke ngulande English.
Lilitha, xolo kaloku mntana makazusiva umem xa sithethe isiXhosa thina. So asina choice. Funeka sithethe English. What is exactly wrong with this boy? Why does he like to complain too much? Miss Tyler, let us not go there, please. We don't have a lot of time. Okay? I have a meeting that I have to be at. So please. Yeah, as she said, 12C, we do not have a lot of time, okay? So today we're going to let 2 learners do the reading oral, okay? Yes, I think 2 will be enough today.
Ay, yo, ninganifaki mina kulothu, ninikhuphe phandle. Ninganifaki kulothu mina correct.
Awuzofakwa ngenxa yento nalilitha. To save waste of time, I avail myself, ma'am. Thank you very much, boy, okay? Thank you very much. And that girl will do the oral right now.
Nah, hayibo guys.
So ke 12C bethunani ne, you are going to stand in front of us, ne? Then you are going to read lento oyisearchile, what have you searched? Okay, and then the bit on English searched. Now lungisa ke nani. Now you are going to stand here in front of us and read lento lo oyisearchile ne. Then after that, we will allow only 3 questions to improve your marks. Yes, and you have to focus on pronunciation, fluency.
Fluentoni?
Khawume wena man.
Ndifuna uqonda lokho medem le flu kuthethwa ngayo zininzi izifo apha phana.
Man, iflu yantoni? Iflu yantoni uthetha ngayo? Uyathanda uzihlaza man wena. Uthethwa ngeflu apha. I'm saying fluency. Voice projection, okay? Mfethu kusho ukuthi read out loud and clearly Lita. How?
Lo nto kanti nithetha ngayo.
Okay, makaqale ke omnye phakathi kwenu siphesihle no Annelies. Makaqale, please. Listen carefully, 12C, okay? As this thing is out of 20 marks, I will deduct 5 marks for wasting my time. I'll do that. I promise you. Ebethunani 12C, sincede nini phakame, singeka minus marks because as minus if aniphakame. Asikagezela. Asinaxesha leninzi apha, asisangizodlala apha. If aniphakame, sizo minus i-marks. Greetings everybody, my name is Annelisa Sibango Ndiphume Gcuwa. I am going to read about the conflict between Iran, USA, we do not shorten the words, United States of America. Aibo, don't you dare, don't you dare, don't you dare. United States of America. The conflict between Iran or Iran, United States and Israel has drawn over many years because of political tensions, military actions, and disagreements about security and nuclear weapons. The United States and Israel.
No. Shut up.
Time out.
Kanjalo nje. Engikaqebi.
Well, I have 3 questions for you. What caused the conflict? How the conflict affected peace? And what do nuclear weapons play in this conflict? No answer. Step down. The next one must do. Hey, ncede ukukhawulezisa mfana. Ncede ukukhawulezisa ixesha liyabanjwa.
Kodwa Miss Tyler,
Ntoni ngoku? My name is Phesihle Dlamini and I'll read about crime in South Africa. So crime in essay, South Africa. Crime in South Africa is a major social issue that affects many communities and includes crimes such as robbery, murder, and gender-based violence. Cut it. We do not have a lot of time, boy. So here are the questions. Question 1. what are the main causes of crime? Question 2, how does it affect communities? And question 3, what can the government and citizens do to reduce this crime?
Ababenza i-crime mababulawe madam, ababulawe xa.
Kavala umlomo Lelita man, kavala umlomo. Yo.
It is caused by a robbery, and the government can ensure that there is safety.
Thank you. Let's go, Miss Jack. We do not have a lot of time. The meeting is about to start. Mamelani ka-12C, mamelani. Thina le ndingafuna usave nje bethu nani. Naxesha lingakho. Mamelani bethu nani 12C. Next time aba bangavridi apha i-presentation lento i-oral. Thetha i-presentation nje apha. Lento i-oral niyayazi phofu uba ndithetha ngantoni. Nibambe ixesha. Asinalo ixesha nini.